Welcome to RF Interconnect. Our web-based tool brings active and verified RF connector design opportunities to suppliers industry-wide. Suppliers in this new economy are learning that traditional methods of trying to attract customer opportunities are being met with resistance and disappointment. Suppliers across the industry spend huge sales and marketing campaign dollars on expensive bait to try to attract customers. All suppliers cast their lines into the same pond of customers to try to competitively stand out with the hopes of reeling in active design opportunities. Instead, suppliers often catch prospect leads that rarely translate to active designs, with little to no payback on the sales and marketing campaign. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced engineers to abandon commercial office space and enter a new era of working from home. This trend is expected to continue even as the pandemic stay-at-home orders are lifted. Accessing customers via direct salespeople will prove ineffective as customers continue their work from home and maintain social distance. RF Interconnect addresses each of these industry challenges, and we will show you how. Each active customer opportunity is extracted from the RF Interconnect Builder and sent to registered suppliers. We are the only tool in the industry that guarantees that customers always approach you and request your review of their design requirements. Suppliers are able to focus on the customer opportunities that best fit their core competencies, and hand-select the designs that they want to pursue. After the supplier responds to the opportunities with their recommendations, the customer will select the suppliers that best match their requirements. We then hand the customers off to the chosen supplier to finalize the opportunity and production logistics. Gain access to unlimited design opportunities from customers across all market segments, while being actively pursued by engineers, not the other way around. All from registered customers with verified accounts. Here is what registered suppliers can expect when they receive a notification of a new customer opportunity. Detailed technical specifications outlining all technical requirements from the customer. Project-related requirements, including application and market details. Customer-specific timeline requirements to benchmark deliverables. All of this while maintaining social distance compliance. The supplier is then able to provide the customer with a drawing and 3D step file, a prototype and production quotation, a sample quantity commitment, and timelines for deliverables. The customer reviews all supplier submissions and selects the solutions that they want to proceed with. When product selection is determined, we will hand off the customer to the chosen supplier so that they can finalize details for order placement directly. The supplier simply builds product in production for the customer's requirements, either through direct orders or through distribution. The supplier then receives payment and continues to grow their business with each incoming opportunity. Following servicing the opportunity, suppliers have the ability to rate their interactions with customers on a variety of criteria. These ratings are helpful for any future design opportunity interactions. The supplier will even receive ratings from the customer. RF Interconnect offers suppliers with flexible plans for any budget. Plans start at 100% free service, and subscription plans are available for additional insights and competitive edge features to further improve your hit rate. Our services are provided without commissions or hidden fees, and all data shared is confidential and secure. Notifications are real-time. We offer a direct-to-customer aggregator model and eliminate all middlemen, and help you expand your customer reach. Our web-based service coordinates all RF interconnect technologies, including connectors, adapters, cable assemblies, board-to-board solutions, board-to-cable solutions, and mechanical switches. Sign up today. After selecting your desired plan, supplier registration takes an average of 60 seconds. Immediately receive notifications for active design opportunities and achieve growth in the new economy. RF Interconnect. It is time to embrace innovation.